One of the issues with the storm incoming for southern Ontario on Friday, Saturday, isn't so much that we're going to see tremendous amounts of snow and rain and winds and cold. It's the travel knock-on effects. So if you're, say, flying out of Pearson on the Friday and you've got a flight in the morning, you think, oh, no problem. But if your flight's coming in from Regina, they might get delayed out there, which means your plane gets delayed, and then it gets delayed a little bit more, and then they shut down the airport. These are the issues that you have to really think about. So I'm going to encourage you, if you are flying anywhere on Friday or Friday afternoon or Saturday morning, check with your flights, check with the airlines, see if you can change your flights to an earlier one. Nobody really wants to wait till after Christmas, but that may end up happening. It's definitely one of those things that you have to watch out for. Now, just because you're not getting tremendous amounts of snow where you are right now, it doesn't mean that the travel and the transportation system isn't being affected in a big way somewhere else.